The idea of a blockchain immediately brings to mind security. The technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is designed to be decentralized and reliable. However, there is one major risk that could compromise even the most robust: blockchains, the 51% attack. In this video, we'll explore what it is, how it happens, and its implications for the security of cryptocurrencies. A 51% attack occurs when a malicious actor or group gains control of more than 50% of the computing power or hash rate of a blockchain network. This control allows them to manipulate the network in various ways. They can alter transactions, prevent new transactions from being confirmed, and even double-spend coins. Essentially, this attack undermines trust in the network by breaking the fundamental principle of decentralization. To better understand this, imagine the blockchain as a public ledger. Each page represents a block, and each block contains a record of transactions. Normally, this ledger is validated by a decentralized group of miners working together. However, if an attacker gains the majority of the validation power, they can rewrite the ledger to serve their own interests. An example of this occurred in 2019 when the Ethereum Classic blockchain suffered a 51% attack. During the attack, the perpetrators successfully double-spent coins, stealing millions of dollars in the process. This highlighted the importance of protecting blockchain networks from such risks. But why do 51% attacks happen? The likelihood of such an attack depends on several factors. Smaller networks with fewer miners are more vulnerable because gaining majority control of their computing power is easier and less expensive. In contrast, large blockchains like Bitcoin are far more resistant due to the massive computational resources required to launch an attack. Fortunately, developers and the blockchain community are actively working to mitigate this risk. Common strategies include increasing the size and decentralization of networks, implementing more advanced consensus mechanisms, and closely monitoring suspicious activity in the hash rate. Additionally, some projects have adopted alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, which make these attacks more challenging. In conclusion, a 51% attack is one of the most serious threats to blockchain security, but it also serves as an opportunity to strengthen the resilience of these networks. Decentralization remains the best defense against such threats, and as blockchains grow, they become increasingly difficult to compromise. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone interested in learning about blockchain security. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content.